Today I'm going to show you how to set up a tap and barrel fed pressure washer. First, carefully read through the instruction manual provided and follow all safety checks. Always check your oil and fuel levels before operating. Set up your pressure washer close to your water tap supply on a level position. Fill your foot valve or non-return hose with water. Place the foot valve end in the barrel and connect the opposite end to the pressure washer. Pull the spray trigger to ensure water is moving through the lines. Pull the recoil cord and start the engine. A hose kit complete with the guarding fitting and foot valve is required in order to feed from a barrel. These are available at Genfitt. Each pressure washer is supplied with 4 nozzles to choose from depending on your application. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.